Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for rent located on Mannings Road, Kingston 9. This location gives a taste of country but still being close to the city. It is just 5 kilometers or 3 miles from Havendale or Manor Park. This house comes with a covered garage, ceramic tiling, garden area, ceiling fans, grilled, mountain views, private setting, quiet area, and is on land area of 55,580 square feet. The monthly rental for this home is Jamaican 85,000 or US $539. The monthly rental price also includes maintenance of the grounds. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.